Let's build this thermographic unit. All the parts come with your purchase. For this unit, we have the base, and from the top left going down, we also have the faceplate, an Allen key with 2 Allen screws, the stand for the scanner itself, 3 feet for the base, and a power cord. The only tool you'll need is a small Phillips head screwdriver, but a medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver is also useful for the larger screws. We'll start with the base. Flip it over so that you can attach the feet. They can each be independently loosened or tightened so that the unit can stand on uneven surfaces. Next, we flip the base back over and begin removing the 3 screws at the top. Remember not to lose them because you'll be putting them back once the scanner is ready to be attached. Once the screws are removed and put in a safe place, take the top off the base and set it aside. We'll need it for the next step. Then, carefully pull the internal wires up out of the base. At the bottom of the stand, you'll see a fastener, which you'll need to twist off and pull the stand's wires through. Once the fastener is off, set it aside. We'll need it again in a moment. Then, pick up the top to the base and pull the stand's wires through its opening. Once the top is connected to the stand, grab the fastener again and thread it back through the stand's wires. Make sure the stand is properly facing forward, then tighten the fastener to secure the stand into place. Once the stand is secure, you'll then connect 2 of its wires to the 2 wires we pulled out of the base. The first we're connecting here is the RJ45 Ethernet wire. When you hear a click, you'll know it's connected. You'll then have to connect the 2-pin wires, which will fit together without a sound. The other wires aren't used in the connection. Once the 2 pairs of wires are connected, push them all down into the base of the unit. Then, take the 3 screws you set aside from the top of the base and reinsert them. Now that the stand and the base are securely connected, it's time to put the faceplate on the stand. First, remove the 4 screws seen in the stand. Use your small Phillips head screwdriver. Once all 4 are off, keep them close by for the next step. Once the screws have been removed, pull the wires inside the stand up and out so that they're easier to work with. Then, grab the faceplate and line up the holes to reinsert the 4 screws. We recommend working diagonally, and making sure each screw is in about halfway before tightening them. These screws are very small, so go slow. Now that the faceplate is secure, we can connect the scanner to the stand. Take a look at the wires you pulled out of the stand earlier. You'll notice that there are 4 connectors, with different numbers of pins. You don't have to connect them in a certain order, but they do have to follow a specific orientation. Each connector has 2 keyways on one of their sides, and they line up with the keyways in the scanner. By counting the number of pins each connector has, and turning them so that their keyways match up with the scanners, you'll be able to see how each connector fits into a slot. Push each connector in gently until they all fit snugly into place. Then attach the scanner to the faceplate by lining up the 3 tabs on the plate with the 3 slots on the back of the scanner. We're almost done. Now that we have everything connected the way it should be, it's time to secure the scanner with the Allen screws and key. These screws are designed to prevent theft. The only way to take the scanner off its faceplate would be to have the Allen key, so don't misplace it once the step is done. To insert these screws, look underneath the scanner. You'll see 2 small holes, 1 for each screw. Place a screw onto the Allen key and twist it until it's tight. This will attach the scanner to the faceplate. Congratulations! You've just built your thermographic unit. The only thing left to do is to find an unoccupied outlet and plug the AC adapter into the plug-in receptor on the base of the unit. It should then power up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We're happy to help. Stay safe out there, and we hope you love your unit!